Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a digital watch clock with Python Kivy. For example, now let me show you the result. Now if I run this program now, it's going to display the exact time, and also it's going to be counting in seconds right over here as you can see. And now is going to be displaying that the exact time in my computer on my Python Kivy application. So let's get started. Hi friends, please if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below, and also the link for this source code is at the description below. So let's get started. So our first step now is to import. Let's start writing a script for it. So the first thing we are going to do now is to import the important libraries. Let's write import time first of all. Import time. Then also we are going to Kivy dot app import app, and also from Kivy dot clock import clock, and also from Kivy dot uix dot label import label. So that's our first step. So our second step now is to create the app class. And what are we going to write? We are going to write class, then watch clock, then we write app. Then right over here, I'm just going to write pass. Then I'll write watch clock dot run. So let's run the application now. Let's also see. So now we've created the app class. Now let's work on imputing the label on the screen, and also to be updating it every second. So let's work on that right now. So now to create our label, now we are going to create another class again. We are going to write class. We are going to write class, which is the name of the class. Let's call it time. Then we write bracket label. So and we are going to also write pass. So here's what we want to do now. We are going to now write come over here and write. We are going to create a function, build function, which is build self. Then over this build self, we are going to write create a variable, which is clock. I'll just write it as clock equal to, we are going to write time. We are going to call this class label right over here. We are going to call it as time, and under here we are going to write so the next step we are going to do now is to update Or let's first of all, first let me show you. Let's just work on displaying the time on the screen for us right now. For us, for us to be able to display the time on the screen, we are just going to say self create a variable self. We are just going to write create a variable which is text, which is going to be equal to time dot str time, then str again. Then what we are going to write here, we are going to make sure it displays the hours for us, the minutes for us, and also finally the second for us. So let's run it now and see. Wait first, before we run it now, we want to make sure that it displays this text on this our time. So what are we going to do now? We are just going to say return clock. Let's run it now and see the result. Now it's displaying the time, but what we want now is displaying the time right now. The time is 9:19 a.m. So our next step now is for us to update this time every second and also to enlarge the text. So let's work on that right now. So now to update this time every second, what are we going to do now? Let's close the application. What we are going to do for this case, in this case, is that we are just going to write this clock dot schedule interval. Then under this we are going to call our clock variable, then dot. We need to create an update function right over here. Let me put it under update right over here. So as I sorry, let me write df update self. Then right over here we are going to write self dot text instead of just this thing. So we are going to say update, then what we are going to do right there, we are going to write comma by 1 second. That means we are updating it every 1 second. So I think we should run it now and see the result of it, if it's going to work now. So let's run it. What's the issue? Okay, says I think, let me see what I can do for this place right over here. I think something is wrong right over here. Let me see. Wait, let me fix this stuff here. His clock is exactly correct. Clock dot update right over here. I forgot to put something. Times args. Then let's run it now and see if it's going to work. Wow, now it's updating every second. Now this clock is updating every second. But now the final issue is that we want to enlarge the text. Instead of it just, we want to make sure that the text get enlarged instead of it being small for someone, instead of it being small. So how are we going to do it now? Let's work on that. So to enlarge the text now, what we are going to do, we are going to come under this update function here and just write then self dot font size, and we are going to say maybe our font size to be something bigger or larger, which is, let me guess, maybe 40. So let's run it now and see. So finally we've enlarged the text now. So That's so the only thing now, if you in case now you want to change the font, you want to change the font or you want to add color, you want to do anything, but now we've already created our digital clock now. So that's how to create a digital clock using Python Kivy. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below, and also um the link to the source code is also at the description below. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.